best way you can actually do it is you can always just put it in a cup of water or milk or something, because it dissolves really quickly. Or you can even dry skip it, because it basically tastes like chalk and will dissolve instantly no matter what. If you take like one sip of water, you can see this is already dissolved right there. And yeah, just really easy to consume. The taste isn't the best, so you can put it in milk or something so that it absorbs it. And the second way we can actually take it is you put it in some yogurt with some granola or something and honey, just to mix it up so it suppresses the taste and is just like not as abundant. Not that there is much of a taste, it just tastes like crushed up bone marrow or something. So yeah, you can always put it in yogurt. And the third method is you can put it in a smoothie. Smoothies are like the greatest method, because you can always put like 10 grams if you want to mega dose it, or just put it in, and it makes it taste really good and you get all the fruits and vitamins. So yeah, we've got water, yogurt, and you can even put it in oatmeal or a smoothie. Those are the three best ways and 3 ways I take it. Or you can just dry skip it, which honestly is what I do most of the time because it's so convenient.